Get into the 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.